Hello everyone, welcome to EPAT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we are going to perform autonomous operation using 5.8 GHz SIYI HMC 30 telemetry data link modules. We are using mission planner software and we have given a path. We have given a path here. We wanted our drone to fly autonomously over the path. So initially starting the plan, we are using Holybro X500 quadcopter with 920 kV propulsion technology and 4200 mAh battery, 4S, and M9 and GPS with the Pixox 6E as a flight controller. Okay, let's
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Arm. Cancel. Remove.
1,
Arm.
2, 3, arm.
Do action. 3, 2, 1, go. Command execute failed.
We have set a delay
10 seconds delay. 5 meters altitude. Again 10 seconds delay.